click the menu My Bills under Bills and Payments. When you click the menu My Bills, it should show you the list of your units, and you may have more than one unit in the facility, and all the subscriptions for which your unit is receiving the bill. Typically, a unit in a residential society will be receiving a bill for the electricity billing, or will be receiving a bill for the maintenance. One can select either electricity bill or CAMS or maintenance from the list of the subscriptions. By default, the system shows the last bills of each subscription. If you click this plus sign, you will be able to see the breakup of the subscription. If you go to bill, you can view the bill. So view the bill is the complete summary of a bill, which can be printed or sent via the mail. So you can go and send the bill by the mail. By default, the system will show the names of all the residents staying in this particular society, or one can add an additional recipient and can send the bill by mail. One can also print a bill by clicking the print and taking an actual hard copy print of a bill. One can also go and see a history of the bills. What that means is that one can see the bills of a particular type of previous periods. So one can select either an electricity bill or the CAM or the maintenance bill and see the bill history of those subscriptions. One can select the bill cycle from which one wants to see the history. The system will show all the bills in those cycles. One can go and view or print all the bills one by one, or one can go and bulk print all the bills together. Bulk print means that you can see 5, 6 or 10 bills and take a printout of all the bills together. At any point of time for any of the bill, one can click a bill and see a billing breakup as well. And for the billing breakup, one can select the duration for which one wants to see the billing breakup. Right, and one can see the graphs related with this with the breakup of the bill to see the actual trend of how one's charges of a particular bill are changing with time. On the main menu, or one can click home to reach to all the home to see the summary of all the bills, last bills. One can click export to Excel to generate an Excel spreadsheet of all the bills. Typically on Google Chrome, all the exports go to a directory called downloads, and one can search for the last downloaded file and get the and can view the Excel download of the bills. This Excel download of the bills is available when one looks at the bill history as well. So I can select one type of a bill, go to a bill history, select all the bills for which I want to check the bill history, and once again I can get the data via the Excel spreadsheet out from the system. To reiterate, in Google Chrome, all the Excel spreadsheets, all the downloaded information goes to a directory called download. You may change this directory in your PC or laptop, but this is a standard download directory. where you can go and open the last Excel file exported from the system, and that Excel file will show you all the bill history. Thank you.